Look at them. Aren't they the siblings from Grace?
Yes, they are the siblings from Grace. Come on!
Hi. Can you cook something from this country for us?
Yes, we can do.
What are we going to cook?
Keftes is the one of the most delicious dish from our country.
What are we gonna use?
We use 300 grams of minced meat, 1 medium potato, 2 medium onions, olive oil, 1 egg, 25 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, salt and background pepper.
Yes, I think so. Do we have everything?
Yes, that is all. How we do begin?
The first thing we have to do is clean the potato, skin under water, place it in a pot with salted water and cook.
Valentino, yes? Can you cut the onion and then chop them?
Yes, I can, but I'm not the best peel onions.
Maybe heat some oil in a pan, and if you can save the onions and until golden brown.
Like this?
Yes, you are the best. Thank you.
Then when cooking, you put in a bowl and smash with a fork.
Hey, what I have to do?
You have to add the vinegar and put the onions.
Okay. Now we put the egg. Now we put the pepper and salt. And mix everything.
And put the potato with the meat.
Now we have to wait for about 4 hours.
That is a very long time.
No, that is no long time. We have waited a lot longer for a recipe.
Now we can fry them. Let's go make the circles. Cojan uno. Y prueben. Delicious, delicious.